Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker Bose SoundLink Color II. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now click on your speaker here. Now, if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset, so just press the power button to turn off your speaker and then press again to turn on it. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the speaker, so just turn off it. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device and then turn on your speaker. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it. Now, if it also didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold Bluetooth button for at least 10 seconds.
Bluetooth device list cleared. Ready to connect.
Now click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. And also if you have Android, click pair new device, and now we should see it at the device list. Now click on it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.